Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines up here. And overall, a very disappointing day, and I'll explain what I mean by that. More so from how things were taking shape. But the first update before anything else that needs to be put into play comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, right there at 67 would be that level you would expect to act as resistance for the reasons just given. And it's actually already acted as resistance. So right there you can see price broke below it, but try to get above it, then all of a sudden acted as resistance. And then later on in the afternoon, once again, the price tried to get above it, but couldn't quite do it and acted as resistance. So I'm not saying that 67 cents can never, ever be broken. My point is that that's an area that is not shocking. It makes sense why the price is pushing the price back downwards. And also it's going to be that level where if there is going to be any sort of true attempt to get things turned around, that'll be the main level to watch. If the price can get up through 67, next key level of resistance would be up there at that purple line, which on my chart represents the very well-known 50-period moving average currently valued at 81 cents. Now, what about levels of support moving forward? And I should note, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but the reason why this was extra disappointing is because just how beautiful this thing closed on Monday. I mean, that you really can't draw up a better close. Price came down, leveled off, started to work its way back upwards. All that occurred on higher volume, and then just like that, gap down today, and it just continued to sink further and further. So just a very disappointing day in that sense, but that just comes with the market of trading these highly volatile stocks. As far as levels of support now going forward, next key level to watch very closely going to be right down there at 55 cents. If 55 cents can't quite hold up, then at that point would not be shocking at all to see the price visit that pink line there, which on my chart represents the 200-period moving average currently valued at 46. But yeah, disappointing day. We'll see how things continue to play out and see if the bulls can try to recover. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.